Hello and welcome to eOption. My name is Scott Berry. I'm a trader on the trade desk at eOption. Today we are going to cover on how to place an option order on the eOption trading platform. You may be new to eOption or new to placing an option order. You may have traded stock with us for years and just recently became interested in trading options. I'm currently in our paper trade account. This looks identical to the trading platform itself. I highly recommend going to the paper trade environment if you want to get familiar with trading options, and you can go in and test certain ideas and things in the paper trade platform before maybe doing so in your real brokerage account. So today we're going to place buying a long option. I'm going to show you how to do that. There's two easy ways to do that. The first way I'm going to cover is using a trade ticket. So when you first log into eOption, most likely you'll be on the account summary page. If you want to go to trading, you would go to a trading tab. Typically on your trading tab, you're going to have a stock trading ticket and an option trading ticket. Since we're going to be showing you how to buy an option, we will go to the option trading ticket. So first we will go in and put in, we'll do Delta Airlines. And so we're going to put in the underlying symbol that we're going to buy an option. Typically you would use an option ticket when you specifically know what you're purchasing. Maybe you know that you want to buy, let's say, a November 30 put on Delta Airlines. Buying a put, you expect maybe Delta to go down between now and the expiration that you're purchasing. So I will show you. Once you put in your underlying, go ahead, you would put buy to open. We'll just do one contract. Let's see, we said we were going to do November. As you can see, when you click open the expiration date, it will show you all the currently available expiration weeks, going all the way out till you get to leaps in Jan 2024 and Jan 2025. This particular example, I'm going to just pick about a month and a half out, November. Delta Airlines is currently trading, as you can see on the left-hand side. This is the security info. It's around 30. So we'll do an at the money put, 30. It's actually be slightly in the money. And we will do November. Okay, so once we get all the data in here, we can choose either limit or market. We will go ahead and buy one contract at the market. Once everything looks good, you will hit the verify tab. As you can see, it gives you a second chance to review all of your trade data. We're going to buy to open one Delta Airlines November 30 put at the market. Again, the quote's down at the bottom. Once you hit trade, then the order should go through immediately. Okay. After that, we did get a notice that the trade had gone through. If you want to see where that is, you can go to a tab called Positions and Orders. And as you can see, there's our order we just placed. Delta Airlines, November 30 put. We bought to open one. Our execution price, 181. And we placed a market order. Now, if you want to see where that position is, it will then also show up in your Positions tab. And you can see it here. Here's our Delta November 30 put that we just purchased. It'll show you the average open price right here. The mark is the average where it's currently trading, and then the last is 179 also. Okay, so that is one way to place an option ticket. The second way to place an option order is using the option chain. On option chain, we'll show you, we still have Delta in here. I'm going to change over to Uber so we can kind of differentiate between the two. In the option chain, we will put in a trade for Uber. In the option, which is also around $30, the option chain will give you a lot more information. You can do a strike range. The plus or minus will be plus or minus from where it's roughly trading. So if you do plus or minus 5, Uber's currently around $30. It will do 5 strikes above 30 and 5 below. If you want to see all of the options that are currently available, again, it can be a little bit overwhelming. But again, you may be searching for a certain strike that is well above where the stock is currently trading. But just to keep things simple, we're going to keep it plus or minus 5. The next criteria you can select is regular. That will show you only your monthly options going all the way out to your leaps in 24 and 25. If you pick weekly, it will only show the weekly options that are coming up in the next 5 to 6 weeks. And again, if you select all, it will show all the different strikes all together, the weeklies combined with quarterlies. There's no quarterlies in this particular issue, and the monthlies. So we're going to keep the example similar to the option that we placed on Delta using the trading tab. In this particular case, we're going to do regular. We're going to go out to November. And in this particular case, we're looking at November options for Uber. We bought a put on Delta. Let's buy a call on Uber. Now, if you look down at the chain itself, the calls are going to be on the left. You can see the word call here, and puts are going to be on the right. Now, if you wanted to place a trade ticket on, let's say, the 30 call, you can either put a buy here and hit trade, and we would be buying to open one November 30 call on Uber, and we could hit verify. Second way to place it on this is you can click the asking price. If you click the ask price, it will immediately pull up a trade ticket as well. Buy to open one, again, also at market. If you click the bid, the reverse will happen, a sell to open. Sell to open would be a little bit different strategy, possibly a covered call. That is something we can cover in another tutorial. But like I said, there's 2 ways to place it on here. Let's go ahead. We can put a B in here. Then we can hit trade down here. So we're going to buy to open one November 30 call on Uber, and we will go ahead and do so at market. Let's verify. Again, the verification screen always gives you one last chance to make sure everything looks good. It'll give you the breakdown of your trade. And once you hit trade, you can see it filled. And we should be able to go into positions and orders. And there's our Uber position. We're long one Uber November 30 call, and we purchased, our open price was $277. And you can also see that down on the order screen. And again, my name is Scott. I'm with the Trade Desk. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to give one of us a call. Thank you.